Over the past 2 decades, globalization, digitization, and the rise of the Internet have each contributed to a new prominence for intellectual property law in public policy debates around the world. Now, intellectual property law has become a subject of heated policy debate in legislatures, a matter of almost daily news reporting, and the topic of wide-ranging popular discourse. In recent years, terms of protection have grown longer, and individual users have become the targets of large-scale enforcement activity. Intellectual property law has garnered headlines for its role in limiting access to life-saving medicines in developing countries, and is increasingly linked to issues of democracy and human rights. Intellectual property law and policy have become stuff of our daily lives as well. They are creators, consumers, users, and sometimes infringers. Intellectual property law now trenches so deeply on issues of economics, culture, health, commerce, creativity, and intellectual freedom. It is no surprise that there is also a burgeoning literature property issues that comes, not just from legal academics or lawyers, but from those trained in other disciplines. Interdisciplinarity is a synthesis of two or more disciplines, establishing a new level of discourse and integration of knowledge. Interdisciplinarity is what happens when researchers go beyond establishing a common meeting place to developing new methods and theory crafted to transcend the disciplines in order to solve problems. This part I will show you the aspects of intellectual property law through a different disciplinary lens, with a view to advocating for changes in how a particular problem or issue is approached. This part will focus either on the social structure or forces that have had impact on the development of intellectual property law, or on the discourses and intellectual structures that helped shape the intellectual property regime.